And then pull out, kumbaga po, yung mga learners ay pinupull out sa kanilang klase either during weekdays class. Also, we have the Philippine read or the Philippine inventory reading assessment, wherein this has been used to assess the reading skills or reading profile of the learners from stage 2 to 3. So grades 4 to 10. The box when it comes to the reading skills of our learners. So this is stipulated under DepEd Memorandum 64, Series of 2025. So other known as the policy guidelines related to reading.